Say hi, William. This is my first home video. Say hello. Say this is my first home video. It's almost Christmas. We got Daddy over here putting the tree up. We got Nana and Mama.
Mom, where's your black tape?
Black tape.
Why are you
We got Uncle Chris.
Black tape?
And we got Mr. William. He's playing.
With all crazy with black tape.
He likes it. He likes the camera string more than he likes the cam. What you doing, Wobbly? Hey. Say hello. Say how you doing? Say how you doing? Yeah. Say I'm chilling. Got a belly here, little belly. Beep, beep, beep. We got some little piggies. We got some more piggies. And we got a really good grip going on here.
Yeah, it does.
Say goodbye and Merry Christmas to all.